Hello, my name is Nirmeba and my deep learning topic is bird species recognition using the transformer encoder and neural network. The For this project, the dataset that I have used is this dataset from Kaggle, which has 9 different bird species and about 1800 training images and 90 testing images. So basically, this problem is a challenging computer vision problem because bird species look very similar. They often differ only to subtle details like the feather patterns, color shades, etc. So, the traditional image classification model struggles to capture both the fine grained local details and the global contextual relations within the images. To solve this problem, we have used a CNN model along with the transformer encoder. Because the CNN model is very good for feature extraction, and then a transformer model helps build the dependencies between different parts of the bird. This combination helps improve classification accuracy for visually similar birds and those species. So, in this code, we start with importing the library. This is my dataset which I have uploaded on the drive and given it the training and testing part. This is where I have reprocessed all the data, resized it according to how I want it to be. Resizing of data is the images is very important because when all the input images are of the same size, then the output that we get is more accurate. Here I have loaded the dataset and printed all the 9 classes. You can see that there are 9 different birds and the number of classes is 9. This is the visualizations that I have done on the dataset. So here you can see that the number of images is approximately same. They are all 200 images of each species of birds. Then I have plotted this. These are all the species of birds that we are classifying in this model. This is the size distribution. Then this is the pixel intensity distribution. This is the train and testing data. Like I earlier mentioned that there is around 1800 training images and about 90 testing images. This is uh, the data loader. Now, in the CNN model, we have used ResNet 50 as our CNN model. Uh, why we have used ResNet is because uh, as networks get deeper, you see that the traditional CNN models suffer a problem that is called as vanishing gradient. Vanishing gradient problem basically means that uh, when you learn new features, you forget the old features, and ResNet is overcoming this problem of the CNN models. Another model that I probably thought of using were VGG and Inception, but there were a few reasons as to why I did not use it because mm, the large number of parameters that are present in VGG and the complex structure of Inception. This I have used along with transformers. Now you can see that this is because CNN are excellent for local visual feature extractions, and transformers have a strong global relationship using self-attention. So when both of them are combined together, there is detailed feature extraction as well as global understanding, which helps in the recognition of the bird species more better. Now, after this, we have initialized this model. This is the loss function. This is the training function that later I've used with the training loop. This is the training loop wherein I have run 5 epochs, and then you can see that the accuracy is about 95%. This is my test of the model that I've evaluated. You can see how everything and how you can see that the test accuracy is 90%. This is the confirmation matrix, the confusion matrix. The confusion matrix here shows 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10, which means that it was able to recognize all these species correctly, where there was some problems in identifying. these species like the house sparrow and the bald eagle. Here I have plotted my training loss and training accuracy. This is it for my presentation for today, and this was the solution that I could provide to the problem. Thank you.